Introduce highlight features or overview summary of i-Clyner T1B solar-powered pool skimmer robot. There are features include 24/7 solar-powered cleaning. With sufficient sunlight, the i-Clyner Robotic Pool Skimmer automatically recharges to deliver non-stop surface cleaning. On cloudy days, use the DC adapter for quick charging. The large capacity battery keeps your pool clean day and night. Powerful brushless motor and adjustable chlorine dispenser. Equipped with an upgraded brushless motor for stronger suction, quieter operation, and longer durability. The built-in adjustable chlorine dispenser allows controlled tablet release, keeping your pool clean, balanced, and crystal clear while the solar pool skimmer works. Intelligent navigation and anti-strand protection. The i-Clyner Pool Cleaner robot uses smart navigation with an S-pattern cleaning path to ensure wider and more efficient surface coverage. Built-in sensors detect obstacles and automatically adjust the route. Equipped with anti-stranding columns, it moves smoothly over shallow ledges and steps without getting stuck. UV-resistant body and seller warranty, double protection. Adopted premium anti-UV durable housing to resist strong sunlight, avoid fading, cracking and aging for long-term outdoor pool application, plus backed by 2-year official seller warranty to provide all-round dual protection and worry-free daily use. Auto docking and easy retrieval. When the battery runs low or a cleaning cycle ends, the solar skimmer for pool automatically returns to the pool edge for effortless retrieval. Simply press the dock button on the app or remote for instant return, no more stopping midway to retrieve the robot skimmer. Dual smart control app and remote operation. Control your pool surface skimmer via the smart app or remote control. Switch between auto and manual modes, adjust speeds, guide spot or edge cleaning, start or stop the device, set schedules, and track cleaning progress all from your phone. Multi-layer filtration and extra-large filter basket. Equipped with a 180mm ultra-fine filter basket, this automatic pool skimmer for above/ground pool effectively captures leaves, hair, and other fine debris. The extra-large filter basket allows extended cleaning sessions without needing to empty it midway, ensuring thorough and hassle-free pool maintenance. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.